Hello guys, welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. In this video lecture, I would like to guide you about size of column for two-story residential building. If you want to build your house, so what should be the size of column and steel reinforcement for two-story residential building, not for commercial building. So therefore, watch this video till the end to know about details of RCC column. If you have any question related to this video, so you can comments, I will try to reply your answer. First of all, size of column for two-story residential building. Size of column. The size of column for two-story residential building should not be less than, but you can say this is the normal size, which is 9 inches by 12 inches for two-story, G plus 1 story. 9 by 12 inches. It should not be less than this, okay? Next guys, here you can see this is concrete cover. So for concrete cover, this is concrete cover. The concrete cover, you can keep up to between 25 to 40 millimeter. This is concrete cover, or you can say from 1 inch to 1.5 inches. So this is concrete cover. It should not be less than this, okay? Next guys, let me guide you for its steel reinforcement. But first of all, remember one thing more, spacing of column. For this size 9 by 12 inches, the spacing of column should not be less than, or the span between two columns should not be more than 16 feet, okay? As you can see guys, this is beam, okay? And this is column. This is RCC column. Okay, so this span should not be more than 16 feet. Up to 16 feet, you can keep the size of column 9 by 12 inches. Inside steel reinforcement, you can keep 6 numbers of steel rods, 6 numbers, and dia should not be less than 12 millimeter. Okay, now let me guide you for its stirrups details, or lateral ties, or you can say ring steel reinforcement. Okay, this is its tie. Okay, so the tie dia you can keep up to 8 mm. From 6 to 8 mm you can keep the dia of tie, okay, with the spacing of 200 mm. 200 mm means about 8 inches, or you can say 8 inches C/C, center to center distance between ties, okay? Let me make its section. You can see guys, this is its section, okay? At the bottom, the legs should be provided at the end or at the bottom, and this leg should not be less than 12 inches. This is very important for both sides, okay? Now let me show you the lateral ties. This spacing you can keep 8 mm dia with the spacing of 8 inches. Okay, it should not be more than 8 inches, but I am recommending you guys, you can keep 8 mm with the spacing of 150 mm. This is my recommendation, okay? C/C, or you can say 6 inches, center to center. So this is very important. So here guys, the size already we cleared here, and the steel reinforcement. Now let me guide you for its lapping length. The lapping length should be between 50 to 60 d, okay? Now let me guide you for lapping. So this is spacing, okay? At this side you can see guys, here we have here reinforcement, Okay, now we have the last one, that is lapping length. Lapping of column should be between 50 to 60 D, where D is dia of steel rod. 50 D. Okay, suppose if I am using 12 mm die of steel rod, so 12 multiply 50. Okay, so you can get the length of lapping. So now where is the best place to provide the lapping? Remember guys, the lapping should not be between at the bottom, and also don't provide the lapping at the end of the column. Okay, but it should be provided, as you can see guys here, let me guide you in detail. So this is total height of column. So total height of column should be divided by 3. At this place you can provide the lapping. So this is the best place to provide the lapping, but lapping should be provided alternately, not at the same point or at the same position in steel reinforcement. Next guys, as you can see here in this diagram, the ring or the ties hooks should be bent on the 135 degree because it resists with earthquake. If you provide it on 90 degree, so there we have more chances of shears. Okay, so therefore don't provide or don't bend on 90 degree, but it should be provided on 135 degree. Next guys, the length of the hooks should not be less than 3 inches. Okay, it should be minimum 3 inches, but you can increase up to 5 inches, but it depends on the size of column, also the size of ring. So guys, these are the details of size of column inside steel reinforcement, spacing of column. Next guys, the ties details, lapping details, etc. Hope this short video can help you. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.